today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to show you how you can edit a share code page. I'm going to do a live tutorial that shows you how simple and how easy it is, even for beginners. I'm also going to go through the reasons why you should edit a share code page, not just duplicate it and leave it as it is, but you can edit these pages to make them your own. I'm also going to give you a free Leads Leap video training course so you can get the best out of your Leads Leap platform. Use every feature to its best advantage, and you can use Leads Leap to promote any online offer. I'm also going to show you how you can earn commissions with Leads Leap, even as a free member, monthly recurring commissions. So you'll see here, Leads Leap, so far I've earned $686. And I did start out as a free member. Everything that I'm going to show you today, you can actually do as a free member. So you don't have to ever upgrade. It's a free lifetime membership. And the page I'm going to work with here, I want to give a big mention to this gentleman down here. It's a Warrior Plus page. I've got some Warrior Plus promotions that I do. And this gentleman here, Edward Keat, he's the gentleman that created this page, and he's doing some really superb work with Leads Leap, and he gives out his share codes to allow others to become successful, not just with the Leads Leap, but to be able to promote their online offers as well. So thank you, Edward, for everything you do. I do recommend you go and visit Edward's YouTube channel, and you can learn a lot from an experienced and successful affiliate marketer. So let's get into the tutorial. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, I need to set up a free Leads Leap account. There'll be a link in the description. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change some of the text on here, because even though I'm a Warrior Plus account holder and I promote several Warrior Plus products, I'm not promoting all of these that Edward's promoting. So I saw a video that he did where he said you can edit all these pages and make them your own. So I'm going to change a few things, and I'm going to go through live now and show you exactly how simple and easy it is to do this. So when you go into Leads Leap, into your members area, then you go under page manager on the left hand side here, and we're going to go into add a new page. The video tutorials will take you step by step through this. I'm going to call this page Warrior Plus. This is just for your own reference. Nobody else sees this reference. And I'm going to add this page. And it just starts to process. And it's going to duplicate the whole page as Edward has created it. And we're going to make some changes. And the next thing you do is add a new design to start. So it says there, add new design / import one using share code. We're going to use the share code that Edward has very kindly given us. We're going to there, and then the box comes up here to import using a share code. So we're going to go back onto Edward's page, and he puts all the share codes somewhere on this page here. And here's the page here. So you just copy and so you highlight this, and then you can either just copy it, or you can do what I do. I do Control-C on the keyboard, and then we're going to go back into the page manager and import using a share code, and then just Control-V, and then the code goes into there. Next step, you just click Import Now, and then what that does, Edward sets up a little window here. Bear with me, Import Now. So if you want to just use the tabs that he's got here with his products, then you can just put your affiliate links into here straight away. So I'm going to do that with my Leads Leap affiliate link, Control-C, and let's find the page again here. Enter Leads Leap full affiliate link, Control V, and then I'm going to replace Edwards Leads Leap affiliate link with my own. Replace and import now. And now what it's going to do, it's processing, it's launching everything. And the next thing you do is you go into Launch Editor. So in our video success training course that we're going to give you for free, there'll be a link in the description where you can get that video training course. It goes step by step through all these different steps that I'm going to take you through now. So it says here, click this to edit / design this page. So when you click Launch Editor, it loads the whole page that Edward has created. It's really quite superb software, totally free, for free lifetime membership. And then you can start to edit this page and make it your own. You can put your own affiliate links in, you can change the wordage, you can change anything about this page that you want to do. Now the first thing I'm going to change is this text here. So you'll see that when you hover your mouse over the text and the images, then I'm going to hover it over this text here, and if I press enter, on the right hand side up comes the WYSIWYG where you can change everything in colors and fonts, etc. Now all I'm going to change, because I do make Warrior Plus commissions daily, but what I'm going to do is I don't make $2,000 per month, so I'm going to change that there. So in the right hand side here, just put your cursor into there. I'm going to delete the last few words, and I'm going to change those to my own words. How I'm able to automate daily commissions and earn thousands. So I have earned over $4,000 in commissions with Warrior Plus. So I'm going to put thousands and earn thousands of dollars, exclamation mark. And then if you want to leave it at that, all you do is you can preview it here. You can quick preview it. You can save it. But I'm going to go further down now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to put a different video in here. So I'm going to put into here my YouTube video. So I'm going to click on this video, and then on the right hand side, you'll see here the different codes and the different video options that you can put in. So I'm going to click on, I think that's a Vimeo video. So it may be a YouTube video. Let me just try YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this video into there. This is my thumbnail, and it's a strategy that I teach on how to get buyer traffic for free and earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus. Now, underneath the video itself, you will see, this is how you share a video. Underneath, you'll see share, and all you do is go to this one here, embed, an embed code. This is the embed code on the right hand side. It's a little bit dark side if you're not used to it, but our video tutorials teach you how to do this. And then you see there in the bottom right corner it says copy. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back onto our page over here, and we're just going to remove this code here, and I'm going to Control V into there, and my video should come up there. So I need to change the size a little bit. All I'm going to do is, I'll do that later. I'm not going to do that today, but you'll see how easy it is to put any video in there, a Vimeo video, a YouTube video. It doesn't have to be your own video, as long as it's a video that explains what you're wanting to achieve. You can put any video in there as well. I'll just go through the next stage down here and just show you how you can edit some of these buttons in here, because this is where your prospects will click on here to take them to the affiliate links to the products. So I'm going to put into this one here, I'm going to change the Easy Cash system, and I'm going to change that to Easy Clicks. Easy Clicks Club. Easy Clicks Club. He's put an exclamation mark after that, so I will. And then you'll see here, go to. This is the affiliate link when your prospect clicks on the tab where they will go to. This here, if you can see that there, go button and action, go to. So I'm going to take out Edward's affiliate link, and I'm going to go to a Google Doc where I have all my affiliate links saved, and I'm going to copy and paste my EasyClicks affiliate link. Copy link, go back over here to our page, and I'm going to copy and paste. So I'm going to go Control V. The cursor's already flashing. Oops, let's go in there. Control V, and then my Warrior Plus link is now within EasyClicks. So my EasyClicks Club text is here. That's my button. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do any more today. I just want to show you how simple it is to change text, to change video, to put affiliate links in. Everything's really beginner friendly and simple. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And eventually you can start to create your own pages. We do teach you that in the video success training course. And then if you want to save your work, well, you can preview your work. Go into full preview. It opens up a new tab, and you'll see that already it's changed my text here and earned thousands of dollars. It's also put my video into there, and it's also changed Edward's text to my EasyClicks Club. And you can click on these to test your affiliate links as well. So you can do a preview like that. And then once you've previewed it and you're happy with it, all you do is click save. And it'll say work saved, and then your work will be saved. And you want to go back in at any time and you want to edit your work, then you can do. So what I want to do is give you a done for you funnel so you can help you promote Leads Leap, and you can promote the Leads Leap video training course. Again, this was created by Edward. I just used his share codes. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. And for you to get your video training course, just put your name in there, your email, click on this link, and it will take you to this page here. And then here you can get your Leads Leap course. Now what you can also do is you can recreate these pages like I've just shown you there. You can recreate these pages, and when you promote your Leads Leap offer, you'll have your Leads Leap affiliate link under here. You just saw how I changed an affiliate link in the Warrior Plus page. Same technique, same method that you do to change the links under these buttons here. So I want to give you that because I want to help you get a pro membership where you can get more benefits. Get great benefits as a free member. Free lifetime membership gives you all these benefits here. But we want to help you get to pro, because as a free member, when you start to earn these commissions here, as a free member, you will earn 25% recurring commission. As a pro member, when you promote Leads Leap, then you will start to earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. So just a short video, well, not a short video, but just a tutorial video today, just to show you how you can edit a share code page. And we are a community of Leads Leap members that are very happy to share our pages. I've had numerous pages that I've contacted other members for. They very happily share their pages with me. I've created my own pages that I've shared with other members of my team and other members in other offers that are not even members of my team. So we're a community of thousands of members within Leads Leap. So whenever you see a page that you think, I could really use that page, or I could edit it to my liking, then just contact the member and they'll be very happy. That's why we call them share codes, because we're happy to share the code with you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody you think would be interested in making money online on social media. Share it on social media. I'd appreciate that. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Leads Leap, then please leave your questions in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And also, I'll put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. Excuse me, my phone's just ringing. I just need to answer that shortly. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.